Hello everyone, this is Lucy, and in this video I will be showing you how to generate invoice number automatically in Excel. So this is just a template. I got it online and I need this invoice number to increase as I save the file and have different invoice numbers here. So what I need to do is go to developer tab. So I don't have any developer tabs right now. So in order to have that, I will need to go to file, click on options. Then here in this dialog box, click on customize ribbon. Here you need to scroll down and find the developer and check this. Click on OK and the developer tab will appear right there. So here I will need to go to Visual Basic option at the beginning of this ribbon, and I will need to click on this workbook and this window will appear. So I will need to copy a code which is this private sub workbook open arrange G6, which is the place where the invoice goes, J6, and value range G6 value +1 and sub. So Control C, and I will now save this as Excel macro enabled workbook. After that, close this. If I save this file and open it again, you will see that the invoice has changed to 1. Now again, save this file, close it, and open it again, and the invoice has changed to a different number. Now let's check it again, save this, and open it again. As you can see, the invoice number has been changing as I save the file again and again. And that's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.